Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 10, Lesson 69, and the start of capitalization. Today, capitalizing sentences and the pronoun I. Chapter 10 is about capitalization, and we begin with the basics. Always capitalize the first word of every sentence. The mechanic fixed my car. The bell rang. No matter the word, the first one is capitalized. And always capitalize the pronoun I wherever it appears in the sentence. Marco and I left early. When I go to the store. That single letter I is always a capital. Those two rules cover most everyday capitalization. Now quotations. Capitalize the first word of a direct quotation only when the quotation is a complete sentence. Our coach said, quote, "Practice begins at noon." That's a full sentence, so practice is capitalized. But when you quote only a fragment, keep it lowercase. She called the plan, quote, "risky but exciting." That's not a sentence, so risky stays lowercase. And an indirect quotation, one without quotation marks, like, "She said that practice begins at noon," is never capitalized inside the sentence. Finally, parentheses. Capitalize the first word inside parentheses only when the parenthetical material is a complete sentence standing on its own. We toured the lighthouse, period. Then, in parentheses, it is 92 feet tall. That stands alone after the period, so it is capitalized. But when the parentheses sit inside another sentence, keep the first word lowercase. We toured the lighthouse, parentheses. It is 92 feet tall, close parentheses, yesterday. Here it's tucked inside, so it stays lowercase. And of course, the pronoun I is still always capital, even inside parentheses. Let's practice. Decide whether the first word of each quotation needs a capital. Pause and try each one before I answer. Carlos began by saying, quote, "Blank is a pleasure to tell you of our successes." The quotation is a complete sentence, so its first word is capitalized. So the answer is capital IT. The reporter called the attack, quote, "blank and devastating." This is only a fragment, not a sentence, so it stays lowercase. So the answer is lowercase unexpected. My mother said that she was glad blank went to the concert. This is an indirect quotation in mid-sentence, so no capital. So the answer is lowercase she. 3 more. Capitalize inside parentheses only when the material stands alone as its own sentence. My sister gave me a jacket, period. Open parentheses. Blank was my birthday present. The parenthetical sentence stands alone, so capitalize it. So the answer is capital IT. The bookstore on the corner, open parentheses, blank, the biggest in town, has a great selection. The parentheses sit inside the sentence, so lowercase. So the answer is lowercase its. Theodore Roosevelt, open parentheses, blank was our 26th president, led a fascinating life. Again, the parentheses are inside the sentence, so lowercase. So the answer is lowercase he. Let's wrap up. Always capitalize the first word of every sentence and the pronoun I wherever it falls. Capitalize the first word of a direct quotation only when the quote is a complete sentence, not a fragment, and not an indirect quotation. And inside parentheses, capitalize the first word only when the parenthetical material stands alone as its own sentence. If it's tucked inside another sentence, keep it lowercase. Great work! In the next lesson, we'll capitalize proper nouns.